Hey guys, welcome to Rain and Delica channel. So today we're doing this slime. Look, super fun. And but this is super duper sticky. That's okay. But this is slime. Look at this slime. This. Look at this. Look at this. Is so slimy. Look. Ooh. So let's make it off. So you need some spoon to mix it up, and oh, I forgot. I'm so sorry about that. Oh, you need some little water, some there, and some mixing bowl, and some liquid detergent, and some powdered and water over here. Powdered laundry and glue. So let's make it up. So there you go. So first you need to put glue. There you go. And mix all water and mix it up. Mix super fast. And liquid detergent. Liquid detergent. And add some more glue. Let's wait from them. There you go. Let's turn and mix another water. There you go. And put a little bit of this sunrock and water. So look guys, look. Actually it worked. It's more. Look. So guys, that's it. Look at this. Whoa. Oh, that's it. So guys, thank you for watching. And please subscribe and don't forget to subscribe and like and comment down below. So bye guys. Bye.